Hi everyone, this is Rahat from ShopiDevs. Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add products to your Shopify store. First, from your Shopify dashboard, click on Products. Then click on Add Product. And here you have to put a title for your product. I'm going to add a t-shirt. So I'm writing the title as t-shirt. In description, you need to give enough information about your product. The customers are looking for the information related to the product before making a purchasing decision. So it's the best way to attract your customer by providing enough information. For this video, I'm adding some demo texts. And now from media section, you have to add image of your product. Moving to the next section. In pricing section, first you have to put the price of your product. And if you want to show a sale price on your product, then you need to use compare at price option. Here you need to write the actual price of the product. In cost per item, you need to put the cost of the product. And when you put the value here, it will automatically calculate the profit and the profit margin. It's really helpful for the seller. If your product is taxable, then keep it as it is. If your product is not taxable, then unmark it. And from the inventory section, you can see there are two options: SKU, stock keeping unit, and barcode. Here you need to put a unique value for your product. To track your inventory, I'm keeping the barcode empty here. And if you want to track your inventory, you need to mark on track quantity and put the quantity number, how many products are available in your store. And if you want to keep selling your product, even the products is out of stock, then click on continue selling when out of stock. Then the shipping section here, if your product is a physical product, then you need to mark the section, or if it is a digital product, then you need to unmark it. And then the weight of your product, you can use different measurements like kg, gram, pound. So I'm giving 2. And here you need to select the country of origin. That means the product is made in which country. So let's just randomly select a country like which. And this is the harmonized system. Here, if you don't know what it is, then just type the name of your product here, and you will find the code. And the next section is very important: options. and you will be using this section a lot. So here you will find option name, size, color, material, and style. So I am going to use the size, as uh, I have different sizes of t-shirt. So type small. Another option is medium. Another is large, and then click on done. As you can see, now you have different sections appeared here. Variants. Here you need to check this information. The price will be same, but if the price changes, if the variants has different prices, then you can make the change here, like that. And you can also change the quantity available on your stock for each variant. You can also find that the different SKU, as I have said, it will be a unique value for each product and specifically for each variant. And then you need to put barcode for each and every variant, and you can edit if you want by click on here. And you can also delete any variant by click on delete. And then the search engine listing preview, I put the demo text here to show you this option. This will appear in the search engines like Google. So if you want to optimize your description, you click on edit website SEO and write accordingly. Now move to the top of the page. On the right, you can see the sales channel and apps. It's shown then online store. So right now the product is only available on our online store. You can also use other channels like Facebook and others. Here you need to choose the vendor name. If you produce the product by yourself, you can put the name of your company. If you get the product from any suppliers, you can uh, put the supplier's name here. And if you want, you can keep it blank. So I'm keeping it blank. And then you have to type the product type here. I'll just type t-shirt. And then the collections, as I have no collection here, you can see, then that's why I have nothing to do here. Then the tags, I use t-shirt tag for this product. It will help you to make the product under a collection by this tag. So this everything, and now click on save. So I have added this product successfully. Let's see where it is. This one. You can see the status is draft and 25 in stock for 3 variants. The status is t-shirt and the vendor is t-shirt bank. So how to make it live on your store like other products. So let me show you that. Click on t-shirt, and from product status, click on active and then click on save. Now your product is active on your store. So let's see the preview. The customers will see this page, and as you can see, our product name, the title, price, compare price, and the variants. We have 3 variants, and the quantity. So thus you can easily create a product to your Shopify store. All right, this all for today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, keep watching our videos to learn more about Shopify.